Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is the day we're finally going to get all this cladding completed. So yes, hello everyone, thank you for joining me once again in the back of the Sprinter. Today we're going to try and finally get all this cladding done, and I really want to try and get the carpet material on the doors and around these surrounding edges. That is what I want to get done first, because once I have put all the carpet on here, I can then put the cladding on and I should have a nice seamless finish. So let's get cracking. Okay, so these are now done. This edging is what I really wanted to get done, because now I can fit the cladding and I should have a nice seamless finish with the carpet. The doors, I just got carried away and just carried on. They're not 100% perfect just yet. There's a nice little rubber seal here which I need to get a nice sharp Stanley blade and just go down the seal, leaving a nice square edge, which I will do at some point. Unfortunately, I left my big Stanley blade at home. The doors are done. I got a little bit carried away and just carried on and just got them done as well. Same thing with the edges. There's a few little edges that I'd like to just trim down with a Stanley blade, this rubber seal here again. And then this side, I want to get my little rotary saw, give this edge a completely nice flat edge from the wood paneling, add my strip, the little plastic edging strips that I've been putting on all the other edges. I didn't get this one done, so I just want to just trim this wood just enough so that I can put that strip on, and then hopefully that'll be a nice seamless finish between the carpet and the cladding there as well. So now what I need to do is crack on with this cladding. Like I say, now I should have a nice little finish that I can go straight up to. I just want to get this done, and then that is the interior pretty much complete, obviously other than the bed, electrical. And I really want to apply the same carpet material to that door. Unfortunately, I have now run out. I've got bits and pieces over there, but it's not enough to do that side door there, so I need to order another strip of that. But time to get cracking with the cladding. So close. I'm so annoyed. I've got this little patch left to do, probably 3 of this size plank, and I've run out. I literally probably only need 1 full size plank that I could then chop into 3 sections and do that. I'm just going to go to Wix now. I'm just going to go get another pack. That way it's done, and then I can get this finished, and then the cladding's actually completed. So let's go to Wix. Okay, so now back from Wix. I've already cut the panels, so now I'm just going to get this tiny little piece done. Well, what a nightmare that was. It's taken me an hour and a half just to do this little 3-panelled section into the trim. I hate these trims now, really hate these trims. I don't, they are a good addition. I especially love these ones, which have gone really nicely in joining the 2 sections of wood together. I really could do with some 45-degree angles here rather than the 90s. That was what my biggest issue was, and I would love to readdress that again. in the future, maybe sometime soon. I'm going to do some research and see if there is such a thing as a 45-degree angle. However, I'm really pleased with how everything's turned out in the back here. I think it looks absolutely fantastic, and I'm really happy with the lights. I just want to get them working, but obviously that'll come next with all the electrical stuff. Obviously I need to build the bed. I want to build some kind of partition over there, utilising the space in the cabin overhead. There is so much headroom in that cabin, it's unnecessary and it's just wasted space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build some kind of partition with a false roof in the cab, where I'll be able to store stuff above the cabin, but from inside the back here. So you'll be able to just put stuff in and out the back here. Again, that's going to be above my kitchenette unit area once I get all that installed anyway, so that'll be a really nice little additional space saving and, you know, storage area. So that's something I'm going to do in the future. Obviously the electrical bed, all that kind of thing will come soon enough. The only thing I want to concentrate on next week is actually the Audi TT. Yes, I want to get that done, just done. The exhaust part is already here. It's been here for a little while now, so I'm going to get that fitted up. The door cards are now here as well, so I can replace that driver's door card with all the ripped door pockets, so that's going to be replaced. It needs a wheel alignment, and then that should be it and up for sale. So fingers crossed we can get that done next weekend, because I would love to get that up for sale, which would enable me to crack on with the MR2. However, that may have to wait until after Christmas anyway, because I know that I am getting something from my other half which is really exciting, and I definitely want to try and use it on the MR2 on a few different parts. So again, that will be revealed just after Christmas. We will have a go at doing some bits and pieces with that product once it's here as well, and I'll do some kind of review, because it's not very expensive and it would save you a lot of money if you are going to be doing lots of this thing. So again, that's something to look forward to on the channel. I really am happy with how this has come along, and I can't wait to get this done. And do you know what? I'm really looking forward to actually travelling in comfort to race weekends. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.